take you for a spin on the most exotic super bike that I have laid my hands on. Powerdrift. What does Powerdrift mean to you?
Good morning YouTube, it's 16th of September, it's a Sunday and we are going for a ride. Where are we going? You might be knowing from the description itself. I will even let you know from the vlog later on in this video. I'm expecting a lot of riders today on the road firstly because it's Sunday and secondly it's the Powerdrift day. So let's see how the ride goes. There are too many bikes on the road, man. The atmosphere is fucking insane. I saw a few of guys who are riding their scooties. Like, this is the biker's passion, man. You just have two wheels and an engine in between. That's it.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history. Yeah. Symphony, and you and I, we got history, yeah.
We have reached sheetal dhaba
at sheetal dhaba
and even Alok is vlogging. It was a nice ride. We saw many bikes on the road and here also there are too many riders out here. There are almost around 400 to 500 bikes, exotic bikes, everything. I will show each and every bike to you. And yeah, I just met Mr. Sagar Shildekar. He's a very nice person, very nice by heart. We had a few chat. I will upload the video later on. Now I am going inside the dhaba right now to begin the event. Let's see.
but let me tell you, to begin with, that I'm very, very nervous. Very nervous. I was really nervous. Like you guys perhaps were also nervous because when you got to ride the next day morning, you can hardly sleep, right? You all identify with that. Yes. But I was nervous for a different reason. I was also nervous for the fact that I am here today to take you on a small ride with mere words, with your permission, of course. A small ride into the inside of what Powerdrift is, and this is the first time we're doing something like this. What Powerdrift was and what Powerdrift does want to be, right? Yeah, come over here, guys. Come. Everybody, Powerdrift members there. Okay, so very quickly we're gonna rush through this, of course. Let me introduce. This is not the full team. The full team is not here. But there are a couple of more who are missing. Yeah. Good. Who wants an introduction to this fellow? Good. This guy really is Alibi more than content painter. He's everywhere. He's only putting that Powerdrift. He's the top and play the video now. Thanks a lot.
Now, here's a problem that you, I, or any other auto enthusiast has newly developed. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me the pleasure to take you for a spin on the most exotic superbike that I have laid my hands on. Thanks. Don't forget to take your laptop along. Okay. Yeah, I will do that.
पिक्चर इसका बहुत अच्छा है।
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा पिक्चर है।
वाटरफॉल आया कि ऊपर का?
वाटरफॉल आया ना?
बढ़िया।
बहुत बढ़िया।
Wow City. Last night was crazy.
So this bike to Tiger Monastery is about 3.5 kilometers, and we've already walked 2.5. Okay, which is about 500 meters.
Before I continue, I'm going to ask you to play a very small game. Okay? I'm going to randomly point at people, and those people are going to tell me the first thing that comes to their mind. The first thing when I say Powerdrift. What was time? Sorry? What was time? Powerdrift.
What's 650?
Sorry?
What's 650?
What's this 650? Okay. Powerdrift. What does Powerdrift mean to you? Okay, Powerdrift. Daytona. Powerdrift. Daytona. Powerdrift. Lady, right there. Sorry? What the first thing comes to your mind? What else? What do you think of the first? PD Army. So what's a PD Army?
I will be contributing to PD Army.
You will be now. That's my point here, right? The video right there, for me, is a visual depiction of what Powerdrift is. We are not auto journalists. We are not any of the great print publications or TV publications which are here. We already have them. They have already been around for a long time. They are legends in this field. And we are not any of them. And the reason behind that is because we are one of you. Because we all started with the same reason. We have a passion for automobiles. That's why we are here. And we said, hey, this is a motorcycle. This is a beautiful car. This is a camera. I think this can make for a really nice orgy. Sorry for that. Yeah, that's what it was. That's what it is. It's passion which gets us all together. And this right there was a tribute to all you motovloggers out there. This is our attempt of vlogging just like you guys. I think it's a brilliant setup. That's why we are one. Right? That's what differentiates us, because we are all in this together. It takes a lot of courage to take a camera, to go out there, to record your journeys and put it out there. Okay? YouTube is a very brutal world. criticize. So I know it takes a lot of guts, a lot of determination, a lot of hard work to first take that step of coming up with such a video of your own, content of your own, and to put it up there for people to appreciate and criticize. And there's so many people doing that, right? And they're doing such a fantastic job. A lot of them are here. So big applause for them, guys. Saluting them to that video of ours. Bhutan 1 and Bhutan 2 is that. It's our attempt at photo vlogging. You guys have inspired us.
We have moved on to this side. I don't know if that's my right or left, but it's this side. David, all guys, thanks once again. Thank you, Buka.
So the event is just finished and we had a good time. Vikram, bye. Alok, bye. So we are heading back to Mumbai and we are taking halt. Where are we?
Kamat और बुआची मिसल.
Yeah, we are having Buachi Misal. Buachi Misal, right? Yes, Buachi Misal. Misal?
हाँ, मिसल.
Misal.